So no OnePlus phone coverage is complete without talking about this. The OnePlus Sandstone Bumper Case. So obviously we gotta unbox it. Take a look at this iconic material case for the OnePlus 10 Pro. So here we are with the OnePlus 10 Pro Sandstone Bumper Case. You got your typical OnePlus packaging, that half red, half white. Some specifications and just kind of features of the case here on the back. Let's go ahead and get her open. And we'll kind of toss this off to the side. You got that normal plastic insert there. Nothing too special. Here's the actual star of the show here. You got that sandstone, nice grippy material. Absolutely love this, and I actually kind of miss it where OnePlus would include this material on the back of their phones directly. That way you didn't have to say buy a case or anything like that to get this feel. Obviously, it's going to be more profitable to them if they make it a case, because then they can get you to buy the phone and the case, but that's neither here nor there. If you take a look at the back of the OnePlus 10 Pro, it even kind of looks like it has that sandstone material on the back end. They probably kind of did that as just like a nice little design cue or just throwback to the OnePlus days of old where you had the sandstone on the back of the actual phone itself. But like I said, overall still super solid, but this is a frosted smooth back device. No texture or material or anything on here, so let's go ahead and get it inside. Oh, and then actually, I'm sorry, the inside is just normal plastic, no microfiber, cloth material or anything like that here. So just bear that in mind. I've never had a problem with these cases like scratching my phones or anything, so shouldn't have any problems either. But we got the phone in the case, and first thing I want to take a look at is going to be buttons and cutouts. So if we're taking a look here, you can kind of see your volume slider there, or not your volume, so I'm sorry, your mute switch slider right there. And that also is textured, so you can kind of grip that. You also got your power button there. The slider itself, as you can see, absolutely no issues getting to that whatsoever. Then we'll go ahead and take a look at the bottom, and you'll notice there, nice wide open port. So that way, if you want to use, cables with the bigger ports at the top, you can use those with no issues. Cutout for your speaker and an extra microphone cutout there. And then lastly, you got this side here where you just have that volume rocker. So just a volume rocker. In terms of the buttons, super tactile. No issues clicking them whatsoever. I honestly wasn't expecting to have any issues. This is a OnePlus first party case. Now, getting to the back where you have this cutout and this OnePlus logo, but talking about this cutout for just a second here, you'll notice if I kind of turn that sideways, you'll see that you do have a nice protrusion for your camera. That way, if you want to lay your phone down like that, you're not going to have any issues in terms of, your camera lens is getting scratched up or anything like that. Moving over to the front, you'll notice you do have a nice amount of lip on that top and bottom. Sorry if you guys can hear that. They're cutting grass right outside my window, obviously while I'm shooting a video. But anyway, so you'll notice you do have a nice lip there on the top and bottom. Sides, you don't get too much of a lip just because they want to make sure you have enough surface area to do your gestures, all of that. So no issues there. I'm not signed into Spotify. Thought I was. But anyway, like I said, no issues there. Your gestures, everything is still gonna feel, super smooth, super fluid, no issues. Swiping down from the bottom, all good, man. So again, if you're picking up a OnePlus device, this is absolutely the case you need. The Sandstone is going to give you a nice case in terms of, just some good protection. Obviously, you can get a screen protector that'll help out with the screen itself, but it is going to give you some nice protection from drops. And then on top of that, it's still pretty slim. It's not overly bulky. You're not adding a bit of, girth or width to the device or anything of that nature. So super slim, super minimalistic. With a nice amount of grip due to this sandstone material all throughout the case. They even included on the sides with these little grooves. You can see those. So super dope case from OnePlus. Absolutely love this case. anytime I pick up a OnePlus device, I'm always on the lookout for that OnePlus official Sandstone case. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop a link down in the description box for this case. If you guys are interested, you can go ahead and pick one up. But that's gonna do it for the OnePlus 10 Pro Sandstone Bumper Case. So that's gonna do it for the Sandstone Bumper Case for the OnePlus 10 Pro, but I wanna know what you think down in the comment section below. Are you hoping that OnePlus brings back the sandstone material directly onto their phones? Do you want it to stay as a case? Just let me know down in the comment section below. But as always, this is Ike's Tech Talk. I will catch you all in the next video. Peace out.